Hello and welcome to another video. We're on Northumberland Street in Newcastle. This video is aimed at particularly for Geordies who are spread worldwide now, and you can just have a little update on Northumberland Street. There is a lot that's changed. It's still undergoing refurbishment. Should have been finished summer 25, and yet here we are in summer 26 and it's still not finished. Allegedly because of the problems I had with the utilities crossing the street. We were much more difficult problems to solve than I thought. Anyhow, we now have a lot more trees and seating area, and there are quite a few changes in terms of the shops as well that we're on this street. Oh, we're heading towards the busker. There is a lot of buskers etc. on Northumberland Street now, which may be different to a few years ago. This fruit stall's one like it has been here for decades as well. Here we go. I don't know if the council actually thought about it, but planting all these trees and putting all the seating underneath the trees makes you a good target for pigeons, doesn't it? Sorry, I'll just get past the noise. We've got Marks and Spencer's here. It's just been here an awful long time now. And in front of us now is a new super drug store. It is a very large store now. They were further down Northumberland Street, but have moved here within the last few months. I'm not quite sure what that is. A new piece of art, I'm presuming. McDonald's, that was refurbished a couple of months ago. The main entrance to Eldon Square off Northumberland Street.
Was the issue that Aunt Nellie had.
It's a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful day. And obviously that's where Superdrug were, which is now looking as though it needs a good tidy up. But I want to draw your attention to one thing in particular, and that's this here, which is called a bank branch. For the youngsters amongst us, this is how older people used to get their money way back in the day and conduct their business, but now it's a very rare animal, so take a look before it's obsolete altogether. Yes, a lot of buskers. And the lovely Fennec, which is this time of year, has got a nice roof terrace restaurant cafe at the top. And here's another, well, it's exactly the same as the ones that we just passed up the street, piece of art, unless it's serving another purpose. So obviously something new come into Fennec's window, because it's all got sale sort of boards in it at the minute. This here is to do with a charity that's currently running. Peter Rabbit, I don't know exactly what the ins and outs of the charity are doing with those. I think they sell the models off at the end of a particular period. Alright, and there's another bank branch now. That is new, so that's unusual that somebody's opening a branch, because that's where Ashley's shop was, JD Sports or whatever the hell it's called. No, Sports Direct, that's it. Right, and we're getting near the bottom now, and as you can see, they're still working at the bottom as well as working at the top. But a lot of the paving's been done, and most of the old patched up tarmac has been removed. So, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, it's free. Do loads of videos on travel, some on Newcastle, some on what I'm calling nostalgia trips, so that's old movies, vintage footage of Newcastle or whatever else I can find. So take a look, there's something on there for everybody, I think. Many thanks, catch you on the next one.
Leave it around in the purse.